I used to think manifestation was pure mysticism, something magical, maybe even a bit out there. But actually, beneath that sparkle, there's a powerful biological reality. Manifestation begins inside your brain, and just like the universe, your brain operates by fundamental laws. Let's start with this. Neurons that fire together, wire together. Every thought you have is an electrical spark, neurons firing, neurotransmitters bursting across tiny synapses. Whenever two neurons light up in sync, their connection gets stronger. That's Hebbian learning. Over time, these pathways get reinforced, making your thoughts easier to revisit. It's your mind literally sculpting your reality. Now consider the sheer scale of your brain. 86 billion neurons. Not 83 million, not 100 billion, 86 billion. Powered by a web of 100 trillion connections. That means your potential for new neural wiring is practically limitless. Every intention, every shift in focus sparks infinite new pathways. And intention, let's clarify, intention isn't just wishing, it's a coherent neural signature. When you clear your mental space through breathwork, meditation, or just a moment of stillness, your intention becomes a laser, carving strong new pathways. Clarity amplifies manifestation. That's all. But manifestation isn't only mental, it's deeply biochemical. Hormones like cortisol or dopamine flow in your bloodstream, shaping your mood and state over time. Neuropeptides act faster, like instant messages in your nervous system, shifting how you feel in the moment. Both translate your intentions into embodied experience. There's also the energetic side. When your crown chakra is calm and open, inspiration flows naturally. This energy travels through your body, integrating in each chakra, and finally grounds into reality. Here's the paradox: manifest with intent, then release. When you relax, your reticular activating system opens up, and suddenly synchronicities appear. Your brain and the universe start connecting the dots. So here's the loop. Clarify your intention, carve the neural path, trigger biochemical alignment, send out that energetic signal and attract the matching reality. Science calls it neuroplasticity. Spirituality calls it flow. Your thoughts aren't just whispers, they're cosmic blueprints. Focus with clarity, charge them with feeling, release into the field, and let your brain wire your next reality. Manifest from clarity, create from flow. This is Quantum Collective, where science meets soul. If you found this inspiring, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Join the Quantum Collective and start manifesting your reality today.